how to fix group chat text on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can fix group chat text on Android. So in order to fix it, first thing first, you'll have to install, instead of using the inbuilt feature messaging app, you can simply download Google Messaging from Play Store. So for that you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in message and type in Google Messages, and over here make sure to install the following application. Once you install it, click the open button. Now by default it's going to be set as a Google Messaging, so whatever OTP and all sort of things you receive, it's going to be sent over here. So go ahead and tap the get started button. Now in order to fix your group chat text on Android, you'll need to go ahead and tap the profile icon located in the top right hand side corner. So after that, go to message settings located right at the bottom. Now select the particular phone number for which you actually want to fix it. So in my case I'm going to go with this, and by default you'll be able to see an option as a group messaging right on top. Go ahead and select that. Over here you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. On the following box you'll be able to find two different options, that is either to send an SMS reply to all recipient and get individual replies messaging, or send an MMS reply to all recipient, that is group. So you need to go ahead and select the second one, and after you've done that, you've successfully set or fix your issue. So in that way you can fix your group text on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.